Well, hello everyone, and this is going to be a real quick video how I just want to, share with you guys how I'm using this Spark2, because it's been like a long kind of learning curve for me, and I did a bunch of presets. There's 8 different presets you can do and play with iPhone, but I thought I just wasted way too much time, and I decided to go with my Pedalboard. And it takes Pedalboard very nicely, and I do have this controller, Spark controller, and what is called Control X or something. And yeah, the controller X, and it just was a torture for me. It wasn't for me really. I tried all the presets. It's just not like organic really, if you ask me. So that was, I wouldn't say waste of money, but I just stopped using it completely. It just sit in my closet. That's my opinion, and I did way back. I did like video about this. So anyway, this let me put it on. This Spark2 takes pretty well. I'll just plug it in. Sorry. It takes Pedalboards pretty well, and I just put kind of on the clean mode, and that's it. And I just want to put like let me try to do it, like put my second hand. I hope I'm going to put my GoPro here. And that's what I'm using here. As you can see, there's a looper, Boss looper, TC Electronics Dark Matter, and Distortion Boss, and MXR, Phaser, and a little Tube Screamer. And that's it. And let me put it on. So this is just in clean sound. Okay, let's see. So this is kind of a clean sound, and it's and there's a lot of presets, kind of a clean sounds on, you can download clean sound. So let me switch here. And I put my distortion. Sometimes I use them together. It does pretty well. The low frequency is good. It takes pretty nice, and using MXR. That's pretty nice. And it's very organic. I really love it. I think I'm probably gonna get maybe like a volume pedal. I can control it as well with my foot, because my both hands are pretty busy. And that's the thing with this controller X. It's I don't know. It just you have 6 buttons, and you have to use 3 buttons to use a looper. Here, let me just put the looper. Hold on. Just erase this. Okay, let me just use simple something. Hold on. Gonna erase her. yeah, it's pretty nice, I think. Yeah, that's it. So that's my kind of a system, and I love it. So, and thank you for watching again. Please comment if you guys, because there's not much of a, I didn't see videos like people using Spark2 with, you know, kind of old school with pedals, and I would like to know what you guys think. And sorry about the playing, kind of. It's like I said, I'm not a pro, but anyway, I think you got an idea. And it's it works great for me. You know, that's all I really need. Like I said, maybe like a volume pedal, and that's it. I wish it would be kind of like tiny mini volume pedal. It would be like a perfect for me, so I could just mount on this little you know, 19-inch this is from Amazon pedal board. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.